This video from Shop Stuff, going to try and give you a quick demonstration on how to use the SRS500 register from Casio. The register has a lot of fancy features to do with apps and reporting and Bluetooth and that sort of stuff. In terms of actual operation, it's fairly standard cash register operation. So the first thing is your mode key needs to be in the reg mode for processing sales. Then on the machine you have a bank of number buttons here and a bank of department buttons here. The departments are categories of sale effectively, so you can have these programmed up with descriptors and depending on what sort of business you're running. But whatever you call them or however you set them up, the operation is the same. So to process a £1.99 sale, 199 into one of your departments, and then you repeat the transaction or repeat that process for every item that you sold. So 4.95 into department 2, 99p into department 3, and so on and so on. Once you've entered all your items, you can simply press subtotal, and then depending on how the customer's paying, you've got a choice of tender buttons on the machine. If they're paying by card, you'd simply press the CH button here, and that would cash off the transaction for a card payment. If they're paying by cash and they hand over a £10 note, you type in 1000 and then hit the cash amount 10 key. The drawer fires, allowing you to dispense the change. The receipt hasn't printed out on this machine, but that's because I've got the receipt turned off. If you want to copy receipt, or the customer asks for a receipt, you can press the post receipt button, and if you've got that function enabled, you can then print out a receipt. For more information on the SRS500 and other Casio cash registers, please visit shopstuff.co.uk. Thanks for watching.